All right, here is your folder for today, Friday. So you're gonna start with Rocket Math. You're gonna go until it logs you out, so roughly 10 minutes. Review questions. There are 7, so I'm saying you have to at least get a 70 to move on to the next thing, which means you would need to answer 5 of the 7 correct, at least 5. Use your notebook. Use your notebook. All right. When you're done with that, the next thing you're going to do is multiply and divide by powers of 10 task cards. So I'm going to click on it and let you see it. I'm going to hit preview. You absolutely can use your math notebook. Mine is in the kitchen, so let me go get that. All of these, and there are 20 questions, they mimic the test spec questions that are for the 2 standards that we've done so far. So I'm going to show them to you. Hang on. Wasn't prepared. So if you get stuck, the paper that we did in yesterday's video, and I will take a picture of this if you somehow lost this paper or weren't here, whatever. It's going to be questions that look like this. Okay, so you should have some notes that go along with that. And then if it's not from this, because I will take a picture and upload that, then it would be this. Okay, so every question is either on this paper or the paper from yesterday. And it's just going to show me, do you know what's going on? So there are 20 questions. And when you are done, you will submit your answers. I'm going to go back. Yes, leave. Okay. And hit Friday again. Once you're done with Rocket Math, the review questions, and those 20 question task cards, there is a video lesson, and I have fixed it, I hope, so it should play fine. If it doesn't play here, you can try clicking the little blue word here. It'll open up another top, same video. And if not, this is the same link. It'll take you to the same video. You're going to watch it, and you need a paper from Miss Adriana. And the notes that I make as I go through the video, I'm asking that you also make the notes on the piece of paper that you get from Miss Adriana, just so that we're on the same page. When you are finished watching that, it's roughly like 30 minutes. I'm very long-winded, I'm sorry. There are 10 practice questions that go along with that video. So after the video, you're going to do the Nature of Science practice questions, and it says you must score a 70. There are 10 questions, so at least 7 out of 10, and you are going to take it as many times as it takes for you to get a 70. But if you listen to what I'm saying, and you have to write stuff down anyway, so it shouldn't be that big of a deal. None of these questions are really too terrible at all. From there, this stuff here from Rocket Math, review questions, the task cards, the video lesson, the questions, that's probably going to take you most of the time. So from there, I'm going to give you options. I don't have any requirements for these. If you would like to look at the Nature of Science terms, go for it. If you're like, I cannot look at those words anymore, fine. Start looking at the human body terms, because that's where we're going next week, and there is a ton of information. There is how many? There's 25 cards, but the big thing, those underlined words, those are your giveaway keywords for the human body organs, and we need them. We're very responsible for this standard. They ask us a ton of questions on this standard, so if you feel like you cannot look at the Nature of Science ones anymore, do this. Play the games for the human body, because we need those. If not, you are more than welcome to read on Epic. I know yesterday Miss Adat said make it science text. If you have a book on there that you really want to read, though, just go for it, okay? And that's it. I do want to say thank you, though, because your work from yesterday looks really good. Review questions look really good. It's not taking people forever to get through them. There's a few people that have to go through them like 2 or 3 times, but most of you are getting through the review questions once, which is great. The exit ticket questions from yesterday looked really, really good, so I feel good about that stuff. So this is it. I have to be out Monday and Tuesday, and I will get that all set up for you over the weekend. But I should hopefully be back Wednesday and things will be back to normal. So thank you guys so much for doing your job. Thank you guys so much for just sticking in there. We're almost done. It's almost back to normal.